In this video, you will learn the steps to use the Select Checkbox keyword in Avo Assure to auto-select an unselected checkbox in SAP application when automating it. To do so, let's start by adding a step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select CB1_CHK box as the element name, and select Checkbox as the keyword to select one of the checkboxes captured from the SAP application that is specified in the element name in this test step to be automated. Save the designed test step. Now, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps, and you will see that it selects the chosen checkbox in the SAP Checkboxes page.